A primetime news follow-up now on a protest on Orange Street in downtown Kingston on Sunday, during which a man was allegedly beaten by the police and a 14-year-old reportedly arrested for recording the incident. There are claims this evening that the 14-year-old was taken into custody and most of the footage erased from his phone. But TVJ News has obtained videos showing some elements of the protest amidst claims by residents that some policemen acted unprofessionally.
Burning debris signaling a protest, allegations of police brutality, reports of gunfire, and arguments involving citizens and the police. But the flames were put out by the fire department. On Monday, we saw lingering evidence of the impact of the incident. Here is footage of what took place. A cell phone video someone provided to our news center showing heated portions of the protest, which saw residents and the police squaring off. In the cell phone video, it now appears to be some calm as residents casually walk around the scene. Few onlookers start to look in the opposite direction at what appears to be a fire truck moving towards them. We see the burnt remains of materials used to block a section of the road, and then onlookers displaying their anger. In the distance, we see someone who appears to be a police officer coming forward. The police officer walks into the frame with a gun in his hand and starts to clear the road. Note that some residents are standing opposite the blue barrel as the policeman continues. He kicks a barrel, which ends up near a woman wearing a plaid blouse and blue shorts. She responds in kind, and this is what happens next. The gun now at his side, he walks towards the woman and then walks out of the frame. Some residents say this video is evidence of why they fear for their lives.
They videoed themselves and said that they're videoing to see our faces. In case of anything, they're coming back for us.
They say they have lost trust in the country's justice system.
At the time, I was very afraid because I never expect him to take out the gun and fire the shot them. And then because at the end of the day, we're not getting any justice. Because if it wasn't for the video, he would say he didn't do it.
You trust a superintendent to know that I'm going to show you something. You see, after the little boy showed him the footage, I was standing there looking at the video too. He was there, and it's like, I don't know if he's him just turning back. And from he turning his back, the police just start harassing my child.
We went to the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, and asked whether residents have reported the matter.
Normally, when the police them come up here and harass the youth them, and you call INDECOM, them say, them have to come inside and make a report before them can come and seem like that. So what the purpose INDECOM is here for?
Assistant Commissioner of INDECOM, Hamish Campbell, says they have not received any formal report about the incident, but they are encouraging persons involved to file a report now.
So more and more this is going to come to the fore, and the JCF, if there's officers out there who still seem to believe that everything will be as it is, it won't be. And they will find themselves very clearly in trouble if video footage comes to light showing them behaving improperly or criminally.
In a statement on Sunday, the Constabulary Communications Unit, CCU, insisted that the police acted appropriately to what was happening. The release said the Central Kingston Police went to take a man into custody who was out on bail. The police further claimed that the man in question has been causing problems in the communities in recent times. But residents insist the police acted unprofessionally, attacked several persons without cause, and detained a 14-year-old who was simply recording the actions of the cops. Herman Green, TVJ News.